Why you never marry?
We stop that one.
Your mates don't born 3 for village. You dey now they thief for Ghana Lord Jen. They do rubbish. They teach us for Martin. Rasta.
Now you gonna make me they ask me say why I never marry. Why you never marry?
Not true. Why you never marry? Your mates, that Papa Ngozi, I just 2 years to senior you. Why you never marry?
Don't be persuade girls they marry. If I marry the girl, now outside when they sleep. Who go sleep? You and you girls, why you never marry?
Why you yourself never marry?
And my condition now, on my ex.
Hey, Mama.
Mama. How are you?
Mama, why you doing this?
Shut up your mouth. I called you several to come to the village. I and your father invited you. You did not come. We even told you that we have a surprise for you in the village. To come and take it. You refused to come. Since you refused to come, as a good mother that I am, I brought your surprise for you.
This is a surprise.
Yes. I and your father, we have married her for you. Yes. We have done all the marriage ceremony. We have paid our bride price. We have done everything. In fact, even your wedding rice and the cake for your wedding is inside the bag.
Mama, why you bring this short thing for me and say it's my wife?
But this your son is black in real life.
Oh, see, Mama. All those pictures we have been sending, all those pictures we take and send. They are all Snapchat editing. We edited the whole pictures.
Not be juju be that.
Don't worry about that one. You are a good girl, I know. Once you start cooking good food for my son, he will look good now. He will look good for you. Don't worry about the color now. Once you start cooking all those food that your mother taught you how to cook, you don't worry. You'll be surprised how it will change. Yes.
Oh, this child abuse.
Child. What do you know? She's of age now. Anyway, let's go inside. I know I will have to continue my journey tomorrow. So let me go inside and let's go and rest.
Mama, you cannot stay. But if you leave the wife, leave her. I will take care of the thing you call wife for me. Just go home. You know, Papa's corn is already growing. His yam, they're already growing big. Who will take care of them?
Mama, you see, we even lap ourselves.
No space.
There's no space.
Mama, just go.
No, there's no space.
Go inside.
No, wait. No, Mama. Will she be staying?
Yes, I brought her for my son. She will be living with my son.
Is this not my husband's house?
Just talk about who's the husband?
My son, take good care of your wife. Before you go, my boss, Okay, I know you like your wife, Take good care of her, Take care of yourself, I will come in the next 1 year to come and do a mogo, Enjoy yourself, Beautiful wife.
Mama, just go. Mama, go.
My son, I'll see you,
Mama, greet Papa.
Okay,
Mama, go.
Bye-bye.
Everybody, greet Papa. I go beat her. I go beat this girl.
This child abuse, child trafficking. Now good news. Best you have to cook for us on show.
Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, Lord.
You see what they talk? You know that my shirt? When I buy from Alaba, once I wear, go meet Brankule, when give me money. I know. And I use that shirt for grand now. It don't lost. Ever since when Norris tell me say you like that shirt, now don't they hide that. Norris. No, you don't be teacher. You don't they come, sir. Sure, you don't they come. Now you take my shirt.
Wait up, I don't say bad. They hear my name. Wait up.
Norris, you take your clothes.
I take your clothes.
He said you take your clothes.
Which kind of question be that one? I want to take your clothes. Like size they wear.
Not true. Norris no fee wear your size. What till they talk? If you go to the fitter, good idea. You sleep it down.
See, hey, take your time, bro. I don't know motor and talk. Take your time, go motor down. I will take your clothes.
I don't want to know. Anything one I want to. Maybe na your brother that clothes will cost. We didn't say I'll give my issue. I'll give my issue. Just find my clothes. Are you? Find my clothes. I'll give my issue.
You will give us for this house. They hear, you give us for this house.
If you take that clothes.
You are the most suspect that you're now with the color. Now she take that clothes. On our life.
Not wish they play.
Sweaty man, you dey play.
I said I now wish for win this match. Not be this match. I put all my money for this match. It's sure for me. No wish.
Man, you say man, they play. See where the man they play. See where the man they play when you.
Come on there. They're good. What is it? Now this can't wait. Man, you won't buy and no green.
Hey, your ticket go bust. Your ticket go bust.
And if that ticket enter, 1 naira, I don't go give you. 1 naira, I don't go give you.
Move now. I don't even know which under bridge that my husband went and brought all these black people.
No, it's nobody for you.
I thought not just also.
This is my husband's house.
So? No, you're not even there. So now because of this nonsense, now you wait till they watch.
See what?
Because of this useless zero, now you change our ball they watch.
You come out time for match one they watch. Why are you even set money?
Change that books.
Size small.
Time.
Martina box.
Who beat my wife?
Shut up.
Make sense.
See mommy.
Who beat your wife? I was in the point I was slapping.
This one beat me. This one beat me.
In my matrimonial home, una dey beat my wife.
Ah, they don't use you. They don't use you. You don't go if they don't use you.
This your wife when they are to cry.
Not be juju be that.
Sorry, don't mind. Sorry. Don't mind it.
So she reach you. Your belly. So devil.
Small little.
Don't cry, yeah. Why when you not bring come new for me? Tokumbo, now want to spoil am for me.
You be evil. Says is small for where you did.
I want this one that looks like my grandma.
Child good. Child trafficking.
Audio Jungle.
Isaac, Roger. Who carry my daughter from inside? Asa. Isaac, where my daughter?
Why you the point and saying at me?
Where my daughter? Isaac.
No be here una dey when I dey find my shirt. I see am.
Okay, because your shirt lost, now I can't see my daughter, Abi. Because my daughter, come your shirt don't lost.
Don't be carry your clothes.
I dey find my daughter, they play love, Florida. I dey find my this thing, they play love. No one can make I just stand for instance like this. Make I not. Na me is that. Those are short like Martina, but I will not story this thing now. I talk. The guy me dey play. No one, I make I just stand for instance like this now. Keep like now they think up and down now. No one.
Babu, I don't like you. Since when you call this stuff, like things not the loss.
No, accuse my wife wrongly. Accuse my wife. No, accuse her wrongly.
Wife, mama dash me.
See, the thing that happen for this, I don't understand you.
You see that Florida short girl, mama dash me. That girl short.
She be like Martina bottle.
Imagine that girl can't go born. They come up, picky go be like this.
She come yellow. The move from la come
Come
black.
black. Where my palm?
Nourish. Oh, what took it? Where my pass?
See you dey mad. Now your palm be this. Which one wear your palm?
Oh, when I got my slippers and now come on.
Go ask your picky.
Go out that door. Ask your lawyer's wife.
No, it's not my wife. No, it's not my girlfriend. What nonsense?
Mama dash me wife. You chop your wedding rice.
They do wedding for your back. Do everything for your back. Can't wait come give for village. They are pissed they are lying.
I don't love the girl before, but now I love her. She's the love of my heart.
Shut up. You and the man come from village. You're not even there when they do your wedding.
When it's not my wife, I like my wife. Oh.
There is God.
Also, shut babu.
You be fool.
Yes, sir. You be fool. Fool where they piss for body, now you be.
The nearly every one of you that rises, the better it will be for us.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Nearly every one of you that rises,
I said
the
it.
better it will be for us.
Edit. My love. You know see Mumu? My wife. You see? Sure you see?
Baby, what happened?
This is like a dream.
You think say they wise?
You
Are you
what are you doing?
man?
As you can see, the weather is changing, so I'm trying to arrange it.
The weather is changing under this old sun.
Which kind petty be that one? Petty float. You say why you carry? You dey craze?
Baby, don't you trust me?
I love this girl. I know she cannot. Love of my life cannot do this. The apple of my eyes. I trust her.
Guys, you know, 2 will soon knock, and by 2, rain will fall. Shut up! You don't see future.
Future see I dey see.
If you don't mind the credit bag, let's go inside, Jerry. Floyd, I don't go. I love you. You're the love of my life. I love you so much. And I Jesus Christ.